Lemon water. It's everywhere you look. From Instagram feeds to morning talk shows, this simple drink has taken the wellness world by storm. And you know me, I'm all for a good food fad, especially when it involves such a simple pleasure. A squeeze of bright, zesty lemon in a glass of cool water is just the thing to kickstart your day. But is it all hype? Or is there something truly magical about this citrus-infused beverage? Well, my dears, I'm here to tell you that lemon water is more than just a passing trend. It's a delicious and easy way to boost your health and well-being. Join me as we delve into the wonderful world of lemon water and discover its amazing benefits. Trust me, after 30 days, you'll be feeling as bright and cheerful as a sunny slice of lemon. First and foremost, let's talk about hydration. We all know how important it is to drink enough water throughout the day. Lemon water makes staying hydrated a joy. The tangy flavor encourages you to sip more, keeping those energy levels up and your body happy. And speaking of happy, did you know that lemons are packed with vitamin C? This essential nutrient is a powerful antioxidant, helping to protect your cells from damage and boost your immune system. A daily dose of lemon water is like sunshine in a glass, warding off those pesky colds and keeping you in tip-top shape. But wait, there's more. Lemon water can also aid digestion. The citric acid in lemons stimulates your digestive juices, helping your body break down food more efficiently. And if you're feeling a bit bloated, lemon water can help flush out excess water weight, leaving you feeling light and refreshed. Let's not forget about our skin. Vitamin C plays a vital role in collagen production, keeping your skin plump and youthful. Regularly sipping on lemon water can help maintain your skin's elasticity, giving you that healthy, radiant glow we all crave. Now, I know what you're thinking. Nigella, darling, is there any scientific evidence to support these claims? And the answer, my dears, is a resounding yes. Numerous studies have shown the benefits of lemon water. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism found that drinking lemon water increased metabolic rate and promoted weight loss in overweight women. Furthermore, a study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlighted the positive effects of vitamin C on skin health, demonstrating its ability to reduce wrinkles and protect against sun damage. Experts around the world are singing the praises of lemon water. Dr. Oz, a renowned physician and television personality, frequently recommends lemon water for its detoxifying and energizing properties. Even the ancient Ayurvedic tradition touts the benefits of warm lemon water for digestion and overall well-being. Section 4. Real people, real results. Lemon water transformations. But don't just take my word for it. I've witnessed firsthand the incredible transformations lemon water has brought about in people's lives. My dear friend Sarah struggled with low energy and digestive issues for years. She decided to give the 30-day lemon water challenge a go, and the results were astounding. After just a few weeks, she felt more energized, her digestion improved dramatically, and her skin was glowing. Another friend, Tom, was skeptical at first. But after incorporating lemon water into his daily routine, he noticed a significant reduction in his bloating and said he felt lighter and more hydrated throughout the day. These are just a few examples of the countless success stories I've encountered. Time and time again, people are amazed by the simple yet profound impact lemon water can have on their health and well-being. Section 5. Are you ready for a refresh? So there you have it, my dears. The lemon water craze is more than just hype. It's a delicious and accessible way to nourish your body from the inside out. From boosting hydration to enhancing your natural radiance, the benefits of this citrusy elixir are undeniable. I encourage you to embark on your own 30-day lemon water journey and experience the transformative power of this simple habit. Trust me, your body will thank you for it.